Hello guys, welcome back to our online classes. Let's start. So I have a fact for you and I want you to react to it, okay? The World Animal Foundation estimates that by 2025, as many as one-fifth of all animal species may well have become extinct. Does this matter? So what do you think? Do you think that this is something important, or do you think that this is something that is just not relevant? What is your opinion? Think about it and we're gonna discuss this during class. Okay guys, so I'm gonna read this model that these texts that I have here, and these texts answer this question that I just asked you before. Okay, so I want you to tell me what view does each one take. What is the opinion of each of these? Okay, let's read them together. The estimate that 20% of animal species may disappear within a short time is alarming. The loss of any species matters because it can upset the balance of nature. Each organism depends upon another to survive, and the disappearance of one species may have unknown consequences for another. The Earth maintains a delicate balance, which relies upon the complex interaction of plant and animal species. We do not always see what is happening beneath the surface. The loss of species may be warning that we are destroying our planet and therefore our very existence. Let's read number 2. The claim that a large proportion of animal species is at risk of dying out is a subject of great debate within the academic community and amongst scientists in particular. One might think that this is a major problem and that one's worst fear for the Earth will materialize. However, one can equally argue that the species have become extinct throughout the history of this planet. In terms of our survival, however, this is not proved critical. Therefore, the extinction of species, far from being a disaster, can simply be considered part of a normal evolutionary process. Sorry. So, what do you think? What is the point of view of each of these texts? Think about it, analyze it again if you want, and then we're gonna discuss this during class. And I also want you to think with which of these do you agree? Okay? So, guys, today we're going to talk about prepositions in academic writing, one for general statements. Now, we already talked a lot about prepositions at the beginning of the unit, but let's just analyze this, right? Some prepositions and prepositional expressions can make your writing sound more formal. Some of these can be amongst, beneath, throughout, upon, within, and in terms of. Okay? So here we have some examples of how to use these statements. Now, something that we didn't touch in this unit is the use of one. One or ones can refer to people in general, or you or your. You can use it to give opinions, and we have one example here. One might think this is a major problem and that one's worst fears will materialize. In this case, one is thinking about you, it's talking about you, sorry, or about people. So you can exchange these words and it will sound really good when you're writing an academic paper. Okay guys, so this is gonna be your homework and I want you to complete the sentences with prepositions and then rewrite them using one and ones. This is on the student book page 50 and this is gonna be your homework. Guys, thank you for watching today's video. I'll see you in class.